Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna make a video tutorial about digital manipulation. Well, I've told you about digital manipulation on my demonstration. Then now, without take long time, let's make for the digital manipulation about near and the how healing. First, we need to use Photopea. Why? Because Photopea is free. It's like the duplicate of Adobe Photoshop. So we use Photopea. New project, Instagram, API 128, then create. Then now, let's add some images. So we need deer, this one, and then yeah, this, then birds. Then background under, then hide the deer and the birds first. Then Control Alt T for this image, and then resize. Don't forget to click Shift, Control Z, Control Alt T, and then click Shift. Then put it on the middle, and go to the deer, then Control Alt T, smaller, all over here, then set the opacity to be 50. It's enough, or if this is not enough for you, maybe 30. Okay, maybe this one is enough. Then now Control Alt for zooming, then eraser tool E, then rasterize first, and we can erase the deer like this. And then change the size to be 7 pixel, and then Control Shift Alt, zooming, and erase, and make the shape same as the hill. Like this. This one too. Erase. Be careful. Then set opacity back to 100. Okay, like this. Then erase. Okay. Ready? So how to make it like look like real? So we need to click V, then put you here. Wait, which effects, and then bevel and emboss. Then depth, size 32, soften, yes, make it smoother, 310, then opacity 75 or 60, 60 maybe. Wait, then now click this adjustment layer and then exposure, change exposure. Wait, then meet the name of the exposure is here, and then click this clipping mask. So it's going to the deer. It settings here, maybe 0.60. Then the offset 0.07. Gamma correction 0.95. Like this, and then go to the deer nature. Then the effects change. The program was 75 screen. Go to the below. Okay. Okay. Like this. Then go to the opposite, the exposure. One. The offset 0. Then let's adjust again. The offset 0.35. The exposure 0 minus 0.40. Gamma correction
Pitch atau start
1. Then Alt C, reduce nature control. Alt C, then this eraser. Erase this. Set opacity to be 50. then fee, and change the opacity back to 100. Now, like this. Then let's add some birds. Show the birds first. Then how to remove the background with a little bit white on the birds. So just Control Alt T, then select. Then use remove BP key, but using magic cut like this. This zoom, and then change the size to be 18. Just click like this, and like this, and it's done. Then click OK. Yeah, let's remove the background and Control Alt T, make it smaller, put it here. Then let's make it like a rail. Then delete it first, then add the adjustment layer, exposure, -40. Wait, sorry, no, -4, -0.40. The gamma correction, the offset 0.35. Gamma correction 1. Then name it birds. Then put some adjustment like effects, bevel and emboss. Same as this time. 180. Then Control Alt T. Wait, sorry. Control Alt T. Effects, bevel and emboss. Okay. Then click this and do this. This. Then so the birds like there's in the behind and the front. Then how to export? Just click this, click file, then export as. So it's up to you. SVG, GIF, MP4, SVG, PDF, WebP, GPG, or PNG. For me, GPG. Okay. So like this. Name. Project. You can change the name. X. Then save. Then it's saved. After that, maybe that's all from you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.